Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some super stunning and lovely ideas of crochet coasters. These are mug rugs designing ideas with heart shapes. You will see all of these designs having different patterns of heart shapes used in them, and some of the designs are purely in heart shape like this one, which is looking very attractive and gorgeous. Most of these designs are actually in heart shape, and some of the designs are having either heart made in the center part of the coaster, or heart is made at the border as border design of coaster. So different types of ideas are included in this video, and very attractive and gorgeous color schemes are used in these designs, as you can see. And I hope you're gonna love them all as well, because all of these designs are super attractive and lovely, and different crochet patterns are used in these designs. Different stitches are used in these designs too, as you can see. This one is made with a single crochet stitch, and a shell stitch border pattern is made. You can see this beautiful granny striped heart shape pattern with a single crochet stitch as border pattern, and you can see this beautiful double crochet solid stitch pattern, and this one is having a chain picot border design. So all these designs are different from each other in one way or the other, and all these designs are very attractive and gorgeous. Some of the designs are having two different contrasting color schemes used in them, looking very stunning and attractive. One dark color scheme and the other one is light, to make it look more sharp and edgy. And you will see designs with 3 to 4 contrasting color schemes as well, because some of the designs are having different patterns and different lines to make it look more unique and visible. Different contrasting color schemes are used, like you can see this one with a heart shape in center in red color, and then a white color line is used to make this heart look more apparent, and then a pink color is used to make it in a square shape like a solid granny pattern with a heart in center. So all these designs are super unique and lovely, and I hope you're gonna love them all as well. If you love them, just give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this in future. And if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos, just do let me know in the comments. I will make them for you as well, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I do upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel too. So you will find very attractive and gorgeous crochet round patterns, square patterns for coasters and doilies, and you will find beginner friendly stitches patterns and other different crochet projects ideas available on this channel too. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.